3, 2, 1.
Kilisa when you go the rainy land, apple fangan diga ibre. Rufangan me rocky. Mupano porosa at kapungan game viewers. Ye ibre ngani na never no bush na porosa. Porosa no ani. Ne to suka ni. So I continue from there.
Anyway, well, yeah, more than 3 months on this insurance set. As reconne, anawakaila with the reconne me on the light, ngaren in sinana per start,
Yes,
you as a
correct.
sure na.
Okay.
Man,
Yeah. Been down for 3 months, yeah.
or more.
More.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Awartekinai. Wa champinina patiri. Evi emet yarong. Yemasiru bakkotor we going on diagnose. You would plug in a battery. Me or me and star me just turn. Me just map cool. Yeah, I'm plugging in a battery up over the cool. They're a mess, but it's not. It's a bond. It's only on when you crank. You with a battery and man. Yeah, it's like it's sitting in a noise. Yeah. Okay. Next you put. Okay, fun. Okay. And that starter right there. That starter is making noise. It spins. Okay, so I guess we're gonna have to start off. So replace the starter first. But first, we're gonna have to try to turn the motor. Make sure the motor is turning. Yep. This is double busting out. Okay, we're gonna try. He put it so that it turn any crank pulley in it and return. If you're gonna turn, hey, lucky. Crank pulley and hold on. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So then it turn on my crank. I'm with that we're gonna turn. Ooh. Somehow I lose on my crank. Yeah, they're not gonna turn that. Let's try doing this guy. Okay, no. Let's try doing the other guys. Yeah. Hey. Yes, akadar. You gotta get cool and never motor engine. It will get cool. Let's see what's something again. If not, hopefully it's turning.
Oh, you're up? Tired? No. Okay. Still alive. He's still alive?
Oh, I'm still alive. Nice. Okay.
If your car is broken, you call him. Then my bumper. Ah. Not like that.
Replacing this bolt, removing this bolt, and this guy right here, and then we're taking out the starter. Then we get tight. Okay. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna have to whichever it's easier. Pretty sure this guy's not even get all the way. Let's go match it up. We do have a wrong starter here. It's auto starter. Yeah, wrong. This is the wrong starter, so I'm gonna have to return this guy. Get a new one. The starter is in. I'm gonna try to jump start this guy. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. We're checking short term, long term, and now in fuel right here. Short term, trim. So if it's a if a short term trim, you got I will win. It's for air. Then a long term is for the fuel. If too much long term too much fuel, you're not gonna too much here, you're not gonna add more fuel. Yeah, don't know about the other gets but where some shit. That means telling you that there is somewhere it need to be changed. Maybe somewhere leaking air. Yeah. For right now, I can see it's okay between the long term and short term. But I remember not between 0 or 5. Yeah, 0.50. We got too high long. You got it on 5.7. And then long term, your short term, I will adjust thingy. You got it on positive 5.7 degree. Yeah. You in short term, I will adjust it to negative 5.7. So it's a balance in it.
Out of balance.
Have a balance in the fuel my air. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna check. We're checking all the sensors too at the same time. Oxygen sensor. Yeah, one way I think it runs great. Needs to be set on the body side. Then engine wise, I think it's good. I think it was like I'm on long term 5.4. Sometimes it's off. It's off.
Anyway, Crystal Shapur, ngani kot pan ngani Lee, right? Crystal ran where you were park for almost 1 year. Crystal why I upon set. Pakot Crystal Shapur.
It's such a yeah. Um, Meto si Firmon. It was starter. Okay, I see you down with starter. Around but with battery, it's been sitting. Yeah. You will. I test drive for it. Met the what's it called? But I'm not. You will. Shifting hard, I know transmission. And I would make complaint. Hard shift. You can see how the fan is button out. Going away this. So the hard shift, I don't know how to transmission. I put the buff down with transmission and I put it. Just drive for it. I could get up, but I get you. How is it drives? Yeah. Get this one to give me, but hey, but if it's the Sorrento. Here me so there's no AC. Yeah, it's a gallery and a freon. It's just gonna add more freon on.
Pakun kidisa eu shakrian rofas taxiawas.
This is Japur. If me agro parka to the Karavat. Okay. See you guys.